Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable push notifications on the Zepeto application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then you should tap on this profile button down below on the right side corner of the screen. Then click on this settings button in the upper right corner and then click on push notifications, which is the second option. Tap on Zepeto News if you would like to get notifications about new items, worlds and more. Tap on this button on the right side, and you can also enable social notifications. If you tap on it, you have the do not disturb feature, meaning that social notifications will be silent for the duration you choose. So if you turn it on, you can set the direction or the duration. And here you can also set feed notifications, social, chat and live notifications as well. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.